How to create a text message template. Text templates are used to create custom messages for text confirmations or marketing purposes. To start, open the System drop-down menu and click on Text Templates. You have the option to click on a default system template to edit the message, or you can create your own. In this tutorial, we will create a template from scratch. Click Add New to begin adding a template. Choose a template name. This name will be used to identify your template later when sending. Clients will not see the template name. For this example, we will create a custom text appointment reminder message and a custom marketing message. In the message area, you will type out what you want your text message to say. The Insert Merge Tag button allows you to insert client information automatically depending on who the message is sent to. For example, if we choose first name, it will insert the following text in brackets. When this is sent to the client, it will insert their first name automatically. Click the Preview Message button to view a preview of how the message will look once it has been sent. Using the Insert Merge Tag button, you can choose to insert the client's first name, birth date, and last in date, which fills in the date of their last invoice with you. You can also insert upcoming appointment information using the appointment day, appointment date and time only, appointment information or appointment full information inserts. This is how appointment date and time only will populate when sent to the client. This is how appointment information will populate when sent to the client. This is how appointment full information will populate when sent to the client. We will now fill in the rest of our example appointment reminder message. It is important to include your business name and your cancellation policy if you have one. If you want clients to reply back to confirm their appointment, you will need to set a trigger word that Encore will recognize as a confirmation. By default, Encore accepts the letter Y or C or the words yes, confirm or OK to confirm the appointment automatically. In this example, we will ask clients to reply OK. Click the Preview Message button to view how your template will look. Once you are done creating your message, click the Save button and then the Close button. Now, let's move on to creating a marketing message. Click Add New. In this example, we will create a message to target clients that haven't been in for a while. We will add our message and invite them to return with an incentive of a discount. It is important to include the business name as well as the business number. We will also include a deadline for the offer to expire. When creating a marketing message, remember that you will need to purchase texting credits to be able to send it later. You can purchase credits by calling sales at 1-888-919-5841. 160 characters equals 1 text credit. As you create your message, you will be shown how many characters have been used. If you have inserted any merge tags, please be aware that your message could end up being longer or shorter when sending to clients. Click the Preview Message button to view how your template will look. Once finished, click Save. We have now finished creating text templates. Thanks for watching.